You've tuned into The Mountain Gardener with your host, Ken Lain. Gardening, it can be challenging, but with these simple insider tips, you'll reap huge rewards. Now, let's tune into today's Mountain Gardener with Ken and Lisa. Now, I know all you techno folks have got this, but I was looking up where did blog come from? BLOG. It came from in 1997. I guess I've been writing longer than blogs have been around. It was off of Weblog, coined after 19 by John Barger, just to describe logging things on the web, on the internet. So basically maintaining links, logs, and I've been writing garden columns. So we just said, oh, I'm supposed to call that a blog. Really, a garden column comes from the word kolma from Greek, which means column of, it's a structure, a column of words, more of a curated, very specific, usually by one author instead of multiples, which is blogs. But I'm the author. And so it's just kind of the difference in a garden column and a blog. There you go. You got it. A column of words specific to gardening instead of gossip or sports. So anyway, that's my hobby's gardening, so I share that. Just a little trivia on what blog came from, because I wanted to know pretty much what you get on this show. Excuse me, top of mind. You just get my top of mind of what I'm doing. I was gardening this morning, cleaning my plants up, fertilizing. That's the show. So whatever I'm doing, that's what you get. An invite, if you'd like. So mark your calendar, July 24th. We're going to try something new. The team got together this morning and said, hey, boss, we need to do a sip and shop. And after hours, just bring your girlfriends, come stag, just come after hours, bring the kids, bring the wife, bring it date night or date afternoon before dinner from 4 to 7. We're going to have I'm going to pull out my recipes of sangria. We'll have one that's virgin, one that's standard. We'll have some fancy water. I'll put together probably a Chardonnay with a basil something fruit mix. I kind of like that one this summer, but we're going to gear up the shopping carts, get some fancy glasses, probably have some cheese to go with it, and have some fancy summer sangria mixes. It'll be fun, something different, unusual. I hope the recipe turns out. I think it will be. We usually have guests over and they go, this is good stuff. Wow. I'll probably get it all going the night before, just as time to simmer and stew. There's some insider things that we do. Now, maybe I'll even share the recipe. I don't know. I wasn't thinking that sophisticated, but September 24. It'll be from 4 to 6. We're going to try to have some constellation monsteras, some very exotic plants, some new plants you just can't get any other places. We're trying to secure down some pitcher plants, carnivorous plants. We'll have some of those. We'll put just some special things. We'll have a flower for, if it's a date night, we'll have a flower for everyone. There we go. He gets one, she gets one, because I'm a flower gardener and I just love flowers. And so we'll get some donations from growers or something. I don't know, a few flats or something. When we run out, we're out. So 4 to 6, come in after work. It's a Wednesday, I believe, the 24th. When is that? Let me look at that real quick. So I can't do that real quick while I'm on the microphone. I wish I was that good to do that kind of multitasking. Just look up July 24. We will be taking donations for Grapes for Good. It's a fundraiser we have in September, but it's going to the schools, basically. If you wanted to come, donate whatever you think it's worth to the kids, and the schools will be collecting money for that. But September 24th, sip and shop at Waters Garden Center.
Waters Garden companion plants for July are hibiscus, maple, crepe myrtle, and purple verbena.
Purple verbena is mountain famous for gorgeous summer-long flowers held over compact green foliage.
This purple bloomer loves bright gardens, summer heat, and grows best in poor soils with less water.
Go ahead and abuse this bloomer. You can't kill it.
The perfect native perennial for easy summer long flowers.
You'll only find the toughest verbena here at Waters Garden Center, 1815 Iron Springs Road in Prescott. For a more fruitful garden, increase success in the landscape that just feels better, then tune in daily to the Mountain Gardener podcast. Subscribe through your favorite podcast streamer or visit watersgardencenter.com. Better yet, visit me directly right here at Waters Garden Center. Thanks for tuning in.